Welcome to DIY Web Strategy Labs. In today's lab, we're going to be taking Git Bash, using Git Bash since we just installed it, and we're going to create a public SSH key, SSH public key. So, in order to start with creating an SSH key, first we need to make sure we don't already have one. Let's find out by entering this command. Okay. ls. All we have is known host. I don't see my keys here. If I had my keys here, it would say ID underscore DSA or ID underscore DSA.pub. I'll see those two files and I don't see them here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to generate those keys. Okay, I think this should be okay. We're gonna enter a passphrase, enter it again. All right, so that did it. Now let me just double check that we have the files. Okay, they're there. And that's how you create SSH keys, public keys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.